Hello everyone, my name is William and today I'm going to show you how to set up your Unity to make Unturned mods. So what you want to do is I'm going to put this link right here up in the description. So right here, so it's going to bring you up on this page and what you want to click is download Unity Hub right here. So you're going to download it and you're going to install the app on your computer. Now, when you download Unity Hub, you can just open it. So it looks like that for me. Um, so you have your projects tabs. You want to go to the installs here, and right here I only have 2019, which doesn't work with Unturned modding. So what you want to do right here is you want to click Add right here, and you want to add this one because it's the 2018 one, which is the one that's gonna work with Unturned moddings. If you try this one, it will not work. So we'll just hit next, and now it's gonna ask you for modules. So now um, it might be checked, so we don't need that. Ma what you want to make sure is that you have iOS um, and Linux supports. So you have you need to have like both of these. You can add this one too. Um, So yeah, that's all you really need. So so I'm using Windows, so it's already um built in the app as I'm on Windows. But right there, you're gonna need like if you're on Windows, you're gonna need Mac or iOS and Linux. And if you're on so you need like all the operating system build supports there is. We don't need these ones because we cannot play Unturned on that. Now you can click done and now it's gonna install right here. It's gonna take a little bit so it installs like all the modules there is right here. So it's gonna have iOS, Mac, and then there's the universal Windows, which is already built in. So you just want to make sure you have iOS and Linux. Um, so these three are the ones you're gonna need to have. So iOS, Linux, and Mac. This is really important for master bundling because you're gonna need them. So I'll cut right here and I'll be back when I'll be done downloading. Like me, you have to click the little arrow here and then press the 2018 one. And now it's gonna ask you to create something new. So I'm gonna put it right up here. I'll put it on my desktop right here. And I'll call it YouTube, for example. And you want it to be 3D. Now I'll hit create right here. So now Unity is gonna create everything up, and I'll be back when Unity will be completed creating everything for the project and to set it up for Unturned mods. So Unity finished load up. So this is what I have right now. So this is the basic configuration. So there's the light, the camera in here. On the sample scene, which is saved right here. Um, so now what you want to like had is like if I select the camera right here, there's tags and everything. Like, but if I look at the tags, there's barely anything, and there's barely any layers too. Um, which is a problem. So now, and if we go in Windows right here, the bundle tools are not here. Now, how to add them is really simple. You can go right over here in the Unturned folder and you go in the bundles here and then sources. And you're gonna want to add these two, the example assets and the project Unity package. So right here, this one basically contains like example of like all the things you can bundle, and it makes it like faster. You just have to change a few things instead of creating every single thing one by one. And here's like the tags layers and the bundle tools. So you can double click that to import them in here. So I'll do that for the project package. So right here we can see we have the bundle tools, and then here we have the tags and tag manager right here. So now it's gonna import all of that in here, and it should be done. So now if we go up in the window right here, we have the Unturned one with the bundle tool and master bundle tool, which are gonna be helpful for us. So I'll pop them out and I'll put them next to the inspector right here. Or you can put them down in the corner here. And I'll put the master bundle tool here in the corner too. Right like this. That should be enough for what we have to do. And then here we could save out the layout right here. And then save the layout as unturned. And then we could save this. Now that should be all good. We have the bundle tools in the corner here. Now the other way you can import the example assets instead of double clicking it, you could go in the assets right here and then import package and then custom package. Then you wanna go for the unturned folder, which is right over here. And you wanna go in the bundles and then you click the example and then open. So now it's gonna prepare to show you what's in the package. So let's wait a little bit for that. So now it's just collecting stuff. So we're gonna see what's containing. Normally it should be an example. So if I open this right here, there should be an example of everything in this category, in every of these categories right here. So except like some of these, like this one or this one or this one. And then there's also gonna be examples of like a few objects. Now, as we can see right here, we have the animals. Here we have some in zombie stuff. In the we have affixes. Then we have the items. We have every category here. Um, there's gonna be also there should be every single gun and magazine, and then there should be the physics too and all that. So now I'm gonna click import right here. And now it's basically gonna add up everything with the folders down here. So once you imported this package, it should be all good to go, and it's gonna be all. So this should be everything you have now when you complete it. So you should have a few more folders here. So we should have the most important one right here, the core master bundle, which is basically examples of all of these. We've got a bunch of stuff in here, as we can see. And if I go back on the light that we had right here, the default light, we have all the tags now and all the layers we need. So that should be everything. So this is the step one. So in the next tutorial I'll show how to make an to bundle a building. So it's gonna be in the object tab right here. So it could be any one of these buildings right here. So I'll show how to make one of these in the next tutorial. And then I'll show how to master bundle so we can have some more stuff to work with. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe and drop a like on this video. This will be really helpful for the channel. And see you guys in the next draw.